Today I'm making layered nachos. First, in my fry pan I have 1 pound of ground beef that I'm going to cook on medium heat. Now that the ground beef is all the way cooked through, I'm going to drain out the fat and put the ground beef back in the fry pan. Next, I'm going to add 1 packet of taco seasoning and 2/3 of a cup of water. Then I'm going to mix that up and cook it for a few minutes until the sauce thickens. Now I have a lined baking sheet. I'm going to add a layer of tortilla chips. Next, I'm going to add a layer of the taco meat. I'm going to use about half of it. Next, I'm going to add some shredded cheese. Then I'm going to add another layer of tortilla chips. Next, I'm going to add the rest of the taco meat. Lastly, I'm going to sprinkle some more cheese and bake this at 350 until the cheese is melted. Here's an up-close look of the nachos. Serve it with your favorite toppings. I served mine with some salsa and sour cream.